The VIP Members Area. Done for You Research, our monthly crypto newsletter. Every month you'll receive a 40-plus page digital newsletter containing insights into the cryptocurrency industry and the latest developments. Each newsletter also contains research on at least one cryptocurrency project that we personally believe has high potential for future success. On the accompanying screenshot you can see the track record of peak potential returns of each IC newsletter coin it reached after the price it was published at, multiple 1000% plus winners. Almost every IC newsletter coin increased by 2x and more after it was featured. As an IC member, you'll also have instant access to all previously published newsletters in our archive. Stay up to date, our monthly video updates. Every month, there will be a detailed video update added to the members area which goes over the latest news stories and developments in the cryptocurrency industry, technical analysis and more, making it easy for you to stay up to date without having to spend hours every day following the news. You'll get market analysis, data, and insights to help you better navigate the crypto bull and bear markets. As an IC member, you'll also have instant access to all previously published video updates in the members area archives. Understand Crypto in 4 hours, our cryptocurrency beginners course. New to cryptocurrency? Don't know where to start or what all the technical terms mean? We got you covered. In the members area is a very detailed 20-lesson cryptocurrency for beginners course to help you get up to speed fast on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Each lesson is 5 to 20 minutes in length and in both video and text format and created for complete beginners with little no tech knowledge to make cryptocurrencies easy and simple. After completing this course, in less than 4 hours, you'll have a solid understanding of cryptocurrencies, how they work, how to buy and sell them and how to securely store them once you own them. Bonus 1, $1997 value, my complete 33-plus lesson technical analysis and trading course. Interested in learning how to reach charts and how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably? Tired of losing money with trading? We got you covered. This course alone is easily worth the entire cost of the membership. I see so many people who start to trade and lose fortunes because they're making all the beginner mistakes. Longing tops. Selling bottoms. Over-risking and losing more than they should. Cutting winning trades and letting losers run. In this course you'll learn what not to do, and I'll share my own proven, profitable strategies and system with you that you can start to follow right away. Whether you only want to get better at making long-term buying and selling decisions, or whether you want to become a day trader, you'll find what you need to get started inside this course, broken down in an easy step-by-step training series. Our VIP members show off their results from time to time. There's plenty more where this came from inside our VIP Discord group, as we have a Show Your Results channel where members can show off their trading gains. There's also plenty of discussions around trade setups and technical analysis happening on a daily basis inside the Discord groups, so if you want to level up your trading, IC VIP is where you want to be. In the members area, you'll have access to a very detailed and comprehensive course, 33-plus HD video lessons, about money management, technical analysis, and trading. This will help you read charts, understand indicators and give you strategies to trade the crypto markets both ways, in bull and bear markets, in a way that suits your style, day trading/swing trading and with or without leverage. In the course we cover many proven TA concepts like supply/demand, fair value gaps, Wyckoff, range trading and much more. Based on over a decade of experience trading forex, stocks and cryptocurrencies, DIRK shares his insights and best strategies on these topics in a way that's easy to digest and simple to understand. PDF checklist and trade cheat sheet included. Bonus 2 special reports. In the members area you'll also have access to additional special reports on specific topics such as privacy and security, building a cryptocurrency portfolio, creating an exit strategy and more. These special reports go into a lot of detail about their topic and make it really easy to access and learn more about specific information. Bonus 3 Tech Made Easy are step-by-step tutorials. Cryptocurrencies can be complicated to buy, sell, and use. We've got you covered. In the members area, we have a library for tech tutorials and walkthroughs. We currently have more than 20 step-by-step tutorials covering various aspects of crypto wallets, DeFi platforms, staking processes, and more. We continuously add tutorials to this library, and as a member you have the ability to request a tutorial to be made if it isn't in the library already. Join our community. 1600 plus Crypto Investor Network, our private members-only forum and Discord access. As an IC member, you'll have access to the private members-only forums and our Discord chat group, accessible from your phone, mobile, or tablet, with a dozen different channels around different topics such as project updates, technical analysis, market discussions, and more. You'll get instant access to a diverse community of 1,500 plus individuals around the world, all interested in cryptocurrencies, but also stocks, real estate, and other investments. This also gives you access to real-time and often instant support from the community or DIRK and team. See above DIRK's personal buys and sells, which was Theta and TFUEL on December 7, 2020, and has increased by as much as 5,400% in less than 6 months. $100 into this trade alone could have paid for the entire membership and more. Transparency. Plus DIRK's personal buy and sell movements in real time. Besides direct access to the founder of IC, Dirk De Bruin, and having the chance to get your questions answered in real time. The Discord chat groups are also where Dirk shares his personal buy and sell movements for you to learn from and see which coins Dirk is personally buying or selling with his own money in real time. This is a major benefit to get insights into the trade movements of someone experienced with crypto trading and trading in general. Please note, these movements are for educational purposes only. We are not a signal service. Member testimonials. Yes, Dirk. I'm in. I'm ready to start my crypto journey and join you and 2,000 plus members inside IC VIP. Your purchase is fully covered by a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please contact support at intelligentcryptocurrency.com within 60 days of purchase to request your refund. Home privacy policy, terms of service, earnings disclaimer, support, refund policy, legal information, members login. Please note that the annual membership automatically renews at $1,997 every calendar year until cancelled. If you do not wish to be rebilled, it is your responsibility to email support at intelligentcryptocurrency.com before the renewal. Once the automatic renewal goes through, it is non-refundable. Asterisk Unlimited Access Option. Unlimited VIP access is defined as access to the Intelligent Cryptocurrency VIP service as long as we exist. There will be no future renewals ever after the payment installments are completed. Once you're in, and you'll continue to have access to all future additions and upgrades to the IC members area. Asterisk Important disclaimer. All content and information provided herein and on our website, hyperlinked sites, associated applications, forums, blogs, social media accounts and other platforms, site, is for general information and educational purposes only. We make no warranties of any kind in relation to our content and services, including but not limited to accuracy, security, and updates. No part of the content and services that we provide constitutes financial advice, legal advice, or any other form of advice meant for your specific reliance for any purpose, nor any dealing in, or promotion of, securities for which a license is required. Any use or reliance on our content and services is solely at your own risk and discretion. You should conduct your own research, review, analyze and verify our content and services before relying on or using them, and consult a licensed financial planner. Trading and investing in cryptocurrencies is a highly risky activity that can lead to major losses. Please therefore consult your financial advisor before making any decision. No content on our site is meant to be a solicitation or offer to invest or participate in any cryptocurrency tokens or fundraisers of any sort. Intelligent Cryptocurrency Copyright 2022. These earnings are not representative for the average participants. The average participant will earn significantly less or no money at all through this product or service. 2022 Copyright Digistore 24 GmbH, Germany, Inc. and/or its licensors. Review legal terms of use here and privacy policy here. Contact us here.